Hi, Rachel here with Honeybee Holistic Health. I wanted to talk about one of our main services that we offer, which is the newborn wellness visit. At this newborn wellness visit, we highly encourage that you schedule your newborn visit with a provider who's going to be your ongoing pediatric care provider. So we generally don't see newborn visits that are just a one-time visit. We prefer that we provide ongoing care for our patients. So the newborn time frame, that visit is extremely important. It should be scheduled at 2 to 5 days old of the infant. So the infant can be born in the hospital setting, the birthing center setting, or a home birth setting. We do receive a lot of home birth and birthing center patients, and I'm very passionate personally about home birth since I did have my last 2 babies at home myself. So at this visit, the important thing that we cover is a thorough assessment of the newborn, making sure that everything is healthy and the baby is developed well and going to continue to develop well with the ongoing wellness visits. At this time, we also focus on feeding. So patients who are breastfeeding, we offer a lot of support, education, lactation support for new mothers who maybe have breastfed in the past or they've never breastfed at all. At this time, it's very important in those first couple days for baby's growth and development that they're feeding adequately. So we really like to focus a lot of time and attention on the breastfeeding options and feeding options in general. At this time, we generally spend a 60 to 90 minute, most newborn assessments are a 90-minute visit. This allows us time if we need to draw any labs on the baby or we need to do any referrals out for abnormal findings. We have enough time, and that time is spent directly with the provider during the entire visit. We do offer in-home newborn assessments for our members, as well as an in-office. Our in-office location is in Newport Richey off Little Road, and we do charge per mile outside of that for members only.
Contact us to schedule an appointment.